guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a BMW guys such as 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 or Z3 and Z4 models guys with the M54 engine and you're trying to find guys your oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch, stay with us. We'll show you guys where it's located, how to get to it and what you need to do to get to it guys. We'll explain what needs to be done to replace it, all that. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about the content and if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So this is the engine here guys, that M54, it's been used in so many BMWs. It's been used on 320, 323, 325, 328, 330, also the 5 Series guys, X3, X5 and Z3 and Z4 cars as well. Same engine, same design, everything's the same practically. So how you get to the oil pressure sensor? We had to remove our intake, okay, right here, the air filter box. We got that one out of the way. On our model, on the 3 Series, you have only 2 bolts, okay, that you need to remove. It bolts right here. You disconnect the mass airflow sensor and you lift it up guys. Once you do that, okay, you're going to come, okay, to about right here. Okay, now let me explain what you have here. You can see this is your oil filter right here. This is right here, it's power steering fluid. So if you come to the oil filter guys, okay, right here, and you look at that sensor right here, this is oil temperature sensor. However guys, okay, if you look through here, through the hole down there, okay, you can see that thing right there. This is your oil pressure sensor right there guys. That's where it's located. Okay, if I get the holes, you can see it, and that right there, and this is the connector. The connector guys, it's pretty easy to remove. Okay, the connector is, you just have to press down on the spring and pull it out. Okay, let me actually go ahead and demonstrate you quick, okay, so you know what to expect. Okay, I'm done. So this is the connector guys. Press down, pull out, and the sensor itself, you just get a wrench that size, get it off. Careful when you replace it guys, not to have hot engine, hot oil, because it can burn you. Some oil will leak out, you'll make quite a bit of a mess, so be prepared for that. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you, okay, having that problem. Thank you for watching guys. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos. Let us know if you have any questions, if you have any problems with your vehicle. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.